Hi, today's video goal is to show you how to template a curved bench seat. So the front of our trailer is very rounded. It's got these sassy windows and that curve creates a custom shape for our mattress that will become our bed for sleeping. So I'm going to show you how to lay out the paper, how to template it so that I can take it to the workroom where the foam will get cut to the same shape, and then the seamstresses will sew up a new cushion cover for us. So I will just go grab my paper and we'll get started. The type of paper I'm using is just like a thicker craft paper. It comes on a big roll, like a 54-inch roll of paper, and it's really pliable, it's really easy to cut, it's really easy to fold. I cut it longer than I am going to make the bench so that I can make sure that I don't have to join it. Having one solid piece makes for easier just controlling of the shape and everything. So the first thing you do is just lay it out. Kind of give yourself that extra allowance. And then I like to keep things really efficient, so what I do is I use the cut line at the edge already and just start this way just so that you don't have extra cutting to do. And make sure that's really square, just like that. And then in your corners, use the scissors to snip the edge. So the key to getting the right fold and shape so that it's actually the size of the curve is to go underneath the paper and push it into the wall so that you get that crease all the way along the edge, and then you come in from above and you fold it down so that you've got the little pleats along the way, and that creates a curve. So you just kind of keep shaping it, and you don't want it to be bigger because then the bench cushion won't fit. Although there's some play with fabric because it's squishy, it's not like a tile or a hardwood. It has to be exact fabric. You can kind of shove into place at times, but you just kind of fold it along, make sure it's nice and good and folded and nice and flat so that it's going to keep that shape. And then here is where you just cut off the excess, get this kind of out of the way so that it will lay flat. And do a double check. And then what we're going to do is take the tape measure and measure from here all the way along square, because this is where the bench cushion will fit and meet up with this part, so this becomes a separate piece. And so you want to make sure you have this measurement to this measurement, as well as like your where it's flat, so that you have a straight line all the way from this side to that side. And that's it. So one way to double check that you've got a good curve is to fold the paper over and make sure that it mirrors itself. So you take it from the other side, fold it in half, and then you want to make sure that you've kind of got that symmetry. So fold it in again, make sure it fits. And voila! It's a nice little curve. Looks really good. So we'll put the table up to do a double check there, because right now it's down as a bed and it appears all as one, but once the table's up, there's an obvious divide where this starts and this stops. So we'll double check that after we get the table up. From above, you'll see where I want to measure. So you see how the bench, this will represent the one cushion that will be at the back here, And the measurement that we want to just double check is from here to here, where this ends, because this is where the other bench cushion will meet up. So we just take the tape measure here, line it up